These are the four 5170 power supplies. One of them, I've ordered a switch. See, this one there is damaged, and I used JB Weld on it, and I ordered a new plastic replacement online. All these were tested on 240 volts. They're in jumper for 240 volts. Then moving up to these 6 power supplies right here. 5 of these, they've got these black connectors. I've replaced the PCB with a new 300 watt PCB, and I've selectively placed the voltage switches in various places where it made sense at the time I was doing it. Like that one's got it right there. They're all been tested in 240 volts. This one had a switch on it already, so that one